iced tea smoothie. I got the ice ready and just pour some tea, just ready made, like that. Maybe that's a little too much. Get some of that out. Let's put some more ice. Yeah, like that. Squeeze out lemon, doing the real thing here, and make sure the pits are out. Can make any flavor. Iced tea is one of the favorites, and see if this thing can do what a $500 blender can do. Is it the real thing? Let's find out. No cups needed. That's why it's called single serve. It's good for single people. Definitely good. It works. And slushy. This is slushy texture. I did happen to discover small pieces of ice still in there. And even after blending it a few times, there still remain, but it should be no problem to anyone who is not doing anything formal. They're actually kind of fun to chew on.